Hey mini artist, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to draw Snoopy or Snoop Dogg, but you probably don't know who Snoop Dogg is, so you're not gonna understand this joke, but that's okay. Pick up your pen and follow me along. First, we are going to draw the head of Snoopy, then his body, and to finish it off, we are going to give him a little bit of a splash, a little bit of love. So, to begin with, we are going to draw his head, and his head is shaped like a potato, so it's gonna be full of curves, just like this. Like this, go all the way, give it another bend, and finish it off just there. Now, since we are gonna draw him with a headphone on, we are not gonna draw his head fully, but just draw his neck so you know where everything is. So, as you can see, this is the general shape of his head, and this is gonna be his ears. Something like that. So let's give him his nose, like a normal circle, color it black, just like this. And what we can do next is draw his headphone. So as you can see, there's a hole in his ear, and that's where the headphones cable is going to be. So just make sure that you don't block this section. So we are gonna draw the headphones cup, the ear cup. Just make sure that it's almost a circle. And just connect these two together. There you go. And then for the headphones headband, we're just gonna start it off from here. And draw a bent line, a double bent line for his headphone. Connect these two together so you can see the general shape of the headphone. And next we are gonna draw his ears. Something like this. There you go. And you know what? Snoopy is a cool dog. So we're gonna give him a cool sunglass. Just like this. Like this. And like this. Just make sure that his sunglasses are black or any other color that you would like. You can color it rainbow if you like. You can color it blue, green, yellow, purple, pink, anything. There you go. Just make sure that this line is like that. Perfect. Now is the time to draw the rest of the body of Snoopy. So, and his body is shaped like not a potato, but a circle. So we are just gonna draw him like this. So just continue this line with this type of curvature. Make sure that his belly is round, just like this. And we're gonna draw his legs. Like this. Then for his other leg, make another arc line. Something like this. I give him his paws. With these souped lines. And then for his back. So, since the cable of the headphone is gonna come down here and then go this way, so just make sure that there's another hole just like this in his curvature of the body. Like this. Connect these two lines together. Perfect. Now we're gonna give him his tail. Just like that. And his hand. Just like that. Now let's draw the headphone, the cable, I mean. Like this. Then draw the Snoopy's collar. And to finish it off, we can give him two things. First, a heart. Let's draw it like this. Big one. And let's do some decoration for his headphone. And over here you can write a brand. Like this. There you have it. This is our Snoopy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thumbs if you liked it, subs if you loved it. See you guys next time.